This video is gonna suck. So follow me for more. All right, today we're working on a 2012 Volkswagen Golf. This one, we're gonna check the brakes again. These actually look pretty good. You can see this one has spacers to account for the big tires that it has. So we're gonna use size 13. $13mm. Then you use one of these to basically tighten them back in. I give in. Since I'm doing so many brake jobs, I went and bought a brake press, caliper press, to make job a little bit easier. Why struggle when you have the tools? When you have the tools that you can use. We're gonna press this bad boy. Hopefully this is it. This goes like this. Of course. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. First time using it. Oh my god, seriously? Oh my god. Seriously? There we go. Okay, that sucked. Oh, that was a rough start. First time using it. And then you repeat the other side and you're done. All right, and that's it. It was pretty easy. It was fun. Nah, it wasn't fun. I'm actually kind of tired. This video is gonna suck. So follow me for more.